Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can join the Sanrio Characters Gacha Machine event. So go to this Sanrio page and just select event details here. And basically, you are able to use the gacha machine 5 times a day. There are 3 in this area here. If you don't know where this is, you can go back to the page here and you can track where the event is. So here I'm just going to go back to the page and select the go to gacha to track where it is. And then once you press the gacha machine, you'll get a reward. And the first try, you get the gacha machine as well. Make sure you put it in front of your house so so other DG members can use it as well. So again, you can gacha 5 times a day, and then 3 from this event and 2 from other DG members. So the rewards you get from the gacha draws are these recipes. We have the crepes recipes, and then we have 19 Moonlight Crystals, 3 head accessories for your pets. We have the My Melody, Cinnamon Roll, as well as Kuromi. Then we get 20 exhibition passes. And then we also get 3 nightlights of your choice. So I think it's not random. You are able to choose the nightlight you want, but I suggest you choosing 3 different ones so you're able to get more exhibition passes. But if you want 3 of the same nightlight, you're able to, but I'm probably going to get 3 different ones. And then we also have the My Melody headband, the Chromie headband, the cinnamon roll headband, and some shoulder bags. And the last reward is another 20 exhibition pass. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!